occasion, cause, effect and state of things and opportunity under section 7. So, this section admits a very large class of facts connected with the facts in issue or relevant facts, though not forming a part of the transaction. The fact forming part of the same transaction are admissible under the preceding section. Evidence relating to collateral facts is admissible when such facts will, if established, reasonable presumption as to the matter in dispute, and when such evidence is reasonably conclusive. The section provides for the admission of several classes of facts which are connected with the transaction under inquiry in particular mode. For example, as being the occasion or a cause of fact, as being its effect, and as giving opportunity for its occurrence, and as constituting the state of things under which it happens. A fact in issue cannot be proved by showing that facts similar to it, but not part of the same transaction, have occurred at the same other time. Thus, when the question is whether a person has committed a crime, the fact that he had committed a similar crime before is irrelevant. Motive, preparation and conduct previous or subsequent under section 8. Under this section, the motive which induces a party to do an act or preparation which he makes in it commission will be taken into account. Evidence of motive or preparation becomes important when a case depends upon circumstantial evidence only. This section embodies the rule that the testimony of res gesta is allowable when it goes to the root of the matter concerning the commission of crime. Consequently, a verbal statement to police officer during the time of recovery of articles upon the information of an accused in custody is admissible in evidence. Preparation consists in devising or arranging the means or measures necessary for the commission of crime. Then come to section 10, the things said or done by conspirator in reference to common intention. Section 10 deals with the relevancy of the fact in a case of conspiracy. According to section 10, where there is a reasonable ground to believe that two or more persons have conspired together to commit an offence or an actionable wrong, anything said, done, written by any one of such persons in reference to their common intention was a first entertained by one of them is relevant fact as against each of the conspiracy as for the purpose of showing that any such person was a party of it. Fact in this section are all separate and independent acts, not connected to each other, but for the conspiracy. Therefore, prima facie existence of conspiracy is sine qua non for the applicability of section 10, unless prima facie existence of conspiracy is proved. Facts under this section do not become relevant. The words where there are reasonable ground to believe that two or more persons have conspired together imply exactly that. The expression reasonable ground to believe does not mean that conspiracy should prove before these facts become relevant. It certainly contemplates something short of actual proof and means that there should be exist prima facie evidence in support of the existence of the conspiracy between two or more accused persons. Now, coming to the conspiracy. The term conspiracy means a secret plan by a group to do something unlawful and harmful, or something which is not unlawful but by unlawful means. According to Stephen, when two or more persons agree to commit any crime, they are guilty of conspiracy, whether crime was committed or not. It is not necessary in order to constitute conspiracy that the acts agreed to be done should act, which if done should be criminal. Conspiracy consists of unlawful combination of two or more persons to do that which is contrary to law, or to do that which is wrongful towards other person. A mere agreement to commit an offence becomes criminal conspiracy. Now, coming to ingredients of conspiracy. There must be agreement between two or more persons who are alleged to conspire, and the agreement should be to do or cause to be done an illegal act, or an act which is not illegal but by illegal means.